What's up, guys? Jeez, I feel like it's been forever. Thank you for coming back to the channel. I know it's been a while. Just been busy. Anyways, this is an MR2 video, so we're just gonna go over where it's at, what's been happening, and what's next. Stay tuned. Alright, so the car in question, a 93 MR2 Turbo. As you guys can see, it's sitting on the stock wheels now. Still has those spacers on for my 18x10s. That's kind of cool, actually. Anyways, so the car, don't pay attention to that yet. We'll get there. But the car is done. I mean, mechanically, it runs, it drives, doesn't leak any oil. Again, I'll explain. Hold on. Doesn't leak any oil, doesn't overheat. I've driven the car about 50-60 miles now, taking on the highway, back roads. You know, just putting it through its paces. I've done it, and it's good to go. As you can see, I even somewhat cleaned out the interior, got the passenger seat mounted over here. So now you can go somewhere. Yeah. It's honestly, it could be daily driven as soon as I'm done with the engine, which I'll explain to you guys in a second. I put my 93 tails on, and I'm going with a blank center panel, because I don't want to have the reverse lights. Those are going to be incorporated somewhere else. I'm missing one of these, so I don't know if I'll get two new ones or whatever. Anyways, got those. Finally got plates, so it's registered and it's street legal. Everything's good to go. Haven't touched the front end yet, obviously, but like I said, I've just been doing the mechanicals and stuff, making sure it's all ready to go. But so what's going on back here? So when I was fixing all the oil leaks and stuff, I found one and I fixed it. It was coming from the OEM, I guess you can call it the catch can, the big black thing that sits right here in the valve cover. There's a tiny little pipe that goes back into the block or the intake manifold. I'm still not 100% sure, to be honest with you. But I got rid of that whole system, put in the aftermarket catch can, and then drove it again, and it was still leaking. So I put it up on some jack stands back here and had it running, and I was underneath watching, and I freaking finally found where it was leaking from. It was coming from the distributor, which what led to this. So I took the distributor off. I was going to do the O-ring, and I figured, hey, since that's coming off and I already removed kind of a bunch of stuff, I figured, hey, let me remove the whole air intake. I removed the intercooler, the piping. I kind of removed stuff off the wall as much as I could here as well, just because all this grime, I just want to wash it and I want to get it all off. And that's pretty much the next step. I want to do that, clean it all up in here before I put it all back together up here and start working on the next step for this build. So again, runs, drives, doesn't leak, doesn't overheat, doesn't leak fuel or anything weird like that. It really does look pretty cool on these factory wheels spaced out like that. Anyways, got the tails on. I buttoned up the front end a little bit with turn signals and stuff like that. So yeah, that's where it's at right now. I'm just waiting. Well, I'm waiting for a few things for this distributor, and I'm actually heading to Tacoma sometime soon, and I'm getting a bunch of aftermarket parts that I'm going to be putting on here, on this car. And anyway, so I'm going to clean all this out, detail it, wash it, just get it as good as I can. Obviously it won't be 100% perfect. That'll never happen unless this engine comes out someday. If that ever actually happens, I hope not, because I don't want to deal with that. But anyway, so do that, detail this engine bay. After that, I can start putting everything back in the engine bay, finish the distributor, put that back, and I mean, it's do an oil change on it, because I still have never changed the oil since I got it. But yes, I've been checking it and filling it whenever it needs it. Other than that, man, I don't know. I mean, I want to daily drive it for about a week or two, just to again put it through more of its paces and watch it how everything works and stuff, and make sure nothing else pops up. I'll still do mechanical fixes here and there and upgrades and stuff. Some of it might be on video, some of it might not. But other than that, I mean, she's ready. She's road legal. She's ready. She actually drives. She drives better than my Jetta, actually, which is really weird. But it is what it is. So yeah, that's the MR2, guys. I mean, we're getting there. We're very close. And yeah, you can see my mess here. I took everything off. Just sitting here waiting to be cleaned and then to put back. I'll do an aftermarket air intake. I'm going to get rid of all of that, put nice piping everywhere. I do have a question. The valve cover, which is under there, I don't know what color to paint it. I kind of want you guys' help with that. The engine bay is gonna be a little flashy, not like show car flashy, but it's gonna be clean. It's gonna have chrome. All the pipes are gonna be chromed up super nice. I'm gonna be painting stuff here and there, but I want to know what color to go with the valve cover. Can't decide if I should go red or gold or freaking chrome. I don't even care. I don't want to do black. That's just too boring for me. Shoot, I'd consider white. I mean, you guys can imagine, you know, I'm going to have a strut bar here. I'm going to have the factory X bar, and I have that one right there. I don't know if you can see it right there. Anyways, so I have that. That's going to go across. The blue ends are going to get repainted to match whatever the valve cover will be, pretty much. That's what I'm thinking right now. I'm going to do a mild wire tug, just clean up, hide stuff, replace some hoses here and there, just to make it look a little better. I'm not going to do anything with those covers now because it's one of the nuts down there. Very hard to get to because by the downpipe, and it's like stripped, so I couldn't even get it off, so I left that alone for now. But anyways, help me out. Choose a valve cover color. Red, gold, white, chrome, gold, like chrome gold, whatever. Don't even care. I just want to do something cool, something flashy, and that way, you know, and get to a show, I can pop this hood, I think. And technically because the engine's there, but anyways, I can pop it and people can check it out. So yeah, guys, that is the MR2. Figured I'd throw a little update video for you guys out, just so you know, you guys don't think I left you hanging. One more thing, it's been a while, but cleaned out the trunk too. Look at that. I don't think this trunk's been together like this for probably 3-4 years. It needs to be detailed, obviously, but that's to come. Cool. So there it is. So help me out. I need to know some opinions and some options for that valve cover color. And just like that, sorry it's not going to be on video, but I washed the engine and the exterior of the car. Let me show you guys. I obviously don't know if you can tell on video, but it's a little bit cleaner. Just nicer to work on a cleaner car. I mean, it's in sorry state, but don't worry, it's next. Anyways, so the engine bay is uncovered now. Now you guys can see, you know, everything that I removed. Throttle body, like everything is dismantled, but it's a lot cleaner now in here. Obviously, like areas like that, engine's not coming out, so I'm not getting to that. But a lot better. I can take some paint, and maybe I will like paint in there and stuff. And same. So yeah, it's kind of dirty still under those hoses, but it is what it is. Take some paint in there a little bit just to make it look a little nicer. But yeah, so that's it. The engine's washed. Well, engine bay is semi-detailed. Now I can start putting stuff back, and I'm going to be painting the valve cover. That's what I need your guys' help with. So this piece right here, help me figure out a color. Yeah, the pipes are going to be all polished. They're going to be a strut bar right here. You know, I'll clean up a lot of the vacuum hoses and stuff. Whatever's black is going to be blacker, like the hoses, the rubbers and stuff. That maybe a year down the road or something, maybe I'll remove the exhaust manifold, the turbo and downpipe and all that, clean it up, maybe have it powder coated or ceramic coated, I mean, and that's when I'll polish those, clean up back there. Anyways, but yeah, that's just gonna stay the way it is. It's mostly all covered here because you got the throttle body pipe here. There's another pipe going that way, so you can't really see that stuff, but it is what it is. It's a 1993. Man, the paint is bad shape on this thing, but it's okay. That's we'll get there. So, bam, done. Washed, cleaned, and I'm gonna start putting everything back that I need to, and then the distributor just waiting on a rebuild kit and the gasket. I'm just gonna go ahead and rebuild the whole thing. I don't want to just replace the O-ring and put it back, so rebuild it, put that back. It's gonna be a nice new distributor. I might do some spark plug wires because those are still the original. Spark plugs are new, NGKs. Other than that, man, we're getting there, guys. We're getting ready for the next step, and she's gonna be ripping. She's gonna be ripping. All right, so thanks for watching the video. This is a quick little short one. Thanks for watching my channel on the MR2 and the Jetta's outside, but that's a different video. Anyways, thank you for watching, guys. Help me out on the valve cover. Let me know what color you guys think I should do. I don't want to do black. I know black is nice, clean, and simple, but I don't want to do black. I want to kind of a little bit flashy. So parts coming in. Well, I'm picking them up. Aftermarket parts. Distributor rebuild kit coming in. I'm going to order some bunch of vacuum hosing. Actually, I might even have some just replace a lot of the old cracked stuff. After that, I can finally align all the body panels, the body kit, the side skirts, and the front lip. The fiberglass has cracks in it, so we'll repair all that. Do that on video, then we can put it all on, get those wheels fitted, man, and that's pretty much it. Then from there, we can start prepping for body work and like paint and stuff. So that's when the fun stuff becomes. So again, thank you for watching. Now I'm rambling. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you want to. It's going to be interesting. It's going to be cool. Everything's going to be taking off again. Summer's here. Good weather's here. Longer days are here. So stay motivated. Keep me motivated by watching these videos, liking and sharing. I'll see you guys on the next one.